All right, so now we are doing margin of error when we do not have the population standard deviation. Guys, how do we know we don't have the population standard deviation? Because we see it says S equals 38. It doesn't say sigma equals 38, all right? So we're not using the inv norm anymore. We're gonna use inv t. So same way to get to inv norm as mt, second and vars. Remember, we look for that distribution. I'm gonna go down to nt, all right? I know I previously said these numbers don't matter. We are gonna care here, okay? My confidence interval is 90%. Because we're doing margin of error, we're going to do that little median trick I was talking about. What's between 90% and 100%? 0.95, all right? Degree of freedom. For our A example, it is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Remember, degree of freedom, you take the sample size minus 1, so 10 minus 1 is 9, all right? Paste. Then I'm just going to solve the same way we solved the other ones, times my standard deviation divided by the square root of my sample size. Close parentheses. Enter Ruski is going to give us 22.03. All right, same thing, guys. Let's go back to this MT. My confidence interval is still 0.95, median of 0.9 and 100%. Now for part B, my N is 26. Degree of freedom is 25, 26 minus 1. Paste times, guess what, 38 divided by the square root of my sample size of 26. Close parentheses. Enter. That is going to give us 12.72. All right, best way to do this now, easier way, at least in my opinion, we're just going to scroll up, press enter. Because I'm pressing enter, it's going to copy what was just in that text. Then I can scroll over. All right, new degree of freedom, 52 minus 1, 51. Scroll over, new sample size, 52. And enter, and that's going to give us 8.83.